How to fix privacy settings on TikTok. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open TikTok app on your mobile. As you open TikTok, then you have to go on the profile option that is located down below, and then go to these three lines that are located up above. After going to these three lines, then you have to go on settings, and then you have to go on privacy. So over here, if you want to change your age, then you have to follow my other video that I'll put the link in the description. On the other hand, if you want to take your account private, then you can change it from here, or you can change who can download your content. You can change it from this download option and all the other options like delete, stitch, link, like videos and other things, and also who can view your profile. This is how you can fix your privacy settings. If any of these settings are getting any bugs, then you can anytime delete the TikTok account and then reinstall it. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.